Class 3. Today we are going to learn division by one digit numbers without remainders. Division by one digit numbers without remainders. Without remainders. Now, first we will short division. Short division. We can solve division problem by short division methods. As explained below. Now we can solve division problem by short division methods. Okay. Here I'll show you an example. Now divide 8 by 2 using short division method. Divide 8 by 2 using short division method. Now divide 8 by 2. 8 is the dividend and which is the divisor? 2. Now this is divisor is 2, dividend is 8. Now you write the divisor here and the dividend inside this square, inside this we write 8. Now 2 ones are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, and this is the quotient. 4 is the quotient. So divide 8 by 2 using short division method. This way you solve short division method. Now example 2. Example 2. Now 10 by 5. This is also short division method. Now you write the divisor here and the dividend inside. 5 ones are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So this is the quotient. This is the divisor, dividend and the quotient. Next one. Divide 16 by 8. Now write 16 here. This is the dividend and divisor is 8 here. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 2 is the quotient. So this way you can solve division using short division method. Now you have to remember some facts. Now look at page number 90. Page number 90. Remember some division facts. It's given here. Now remember division facts. If we divide a number by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. So if we divide a number by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. Number 2, if we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as the quotient. If we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as the quotient. And number 3, if we divide a number by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. If we divide the number by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. Now we'll solve exercise 5.2 on page number 9. Okay. Solve the following by short division method. You have to solve this following by short division method. Now look here. 6 divided by 2. 6 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor. Now 2 times 7. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2 will go to 600 3 times. 3 is the quotient. Quotient 3. 8 divided by 2. 8 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 4 is the quotient. Number 3, 10 divided by 5. Now 5 is the divisor, 10 is the dividend. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Quotient is 2. Next, 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are. Now number 5, 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. So quotient is 8. 15 divided by 5. 15 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. 5 ones are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 3 is the quotient. The quotient is 3. Now number 7. 18 divided by 2. 2 is the divisor and 18 is the dividend. Now 2 ones are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18. Here 9 is the quotient. Now number 8. 25 divided by 5. Now 5 ones are 5 is the divisor and 25 is the dividend. Now we have to find the quotient. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So 5 is the quotient. So this way you solve the following by using short division method.